So we came back to the Stargazer tonight to set up and calibrate the telescope. Lance was already had it like 3/4 unpacked when I got here. And we've got the tripod in the middle of the observatory. There's a little level on it that you find dead level. And then what we're gonna do is set it on there, align it to the night sky, and he's gonna calibrate it by finding 3 different stars. And basically you center it on a star, you hit enter, it doesn't matter what star, 2, 3 stars, and then you hit enter, and this telescope is so smart, it finds its place on the planet. It knows exactly where it's at, what hemisphere, all the different things, and then from that point, the hand controller, or you can use the laptop, and then you can start looking at the sky. So, really excited about this. We have red lights on, very important, doesn't mess up your night vision. So we've done all this work in low red light, which I'm sure the neighbors think someone's getting robbed. I'm not sure. Good to go? Yes, sir. Yeah, don't mind me waiting on this heavy thing. Okay, there we go. That's these 3 spring-loaded dudes.